Hey everyone, so today we're gonna see that how to download FIFA 23 in PC. Mm, First of all, I will show you that I already downloaded the game. This is FIFA 23. So today we see that how to download FIFA 23 in your PC. So let's start the video. So for this you have to go to the Chrome and just type torrent for torrent download, and you will redirect to this website uTorrent with. So you have to scroll down little bit, scroll down, then you can find that uTorrent classic beta. So you have to click download now, as I already downloaded it. So for this time I am not going to download it again. After downloading this, you just install it. It's a very basic process. Install the uTorrent application, and after that I will provide you a link in a telegram group link in description. Please make sure you have to subscribe my channel, then you can join the telegram group. After you joining the telegram group, there was a link of FIFA 23. From this link from this link you have to download a torrent file. After that you have to open the torrent application. So let's open the torrent application. After that you have to open the torrent application, and you can see that I already downloaded it. But when you are opening the torrent first time, so you have to click on the add torrent, and you have to add the file. So generally in download section you can find the file, and you have to add it in torrent, and it's starting download. So as you can see that I already downloaded it. So please make sure to subscribe my channel, and I can't provide the link in description because it's against the YouTube guideline. So you have to go to my telegram channel and you will find the torrent file link, and please make sure to turn on your VPN and download the file and just add here, and it's automatically start downloading. And please make sure to subscribe my channel, and if you are facing any difficulties, then make sure to inform me in the comment section, and I will try to help you. And you don't have worry about virus or anything. It's virus free application. It's really a virus free. I downloaded it almost um, 14 or 15 days ago, and I played it. It's running smoothly. After downloading, if you facing any problem in installation, then inform me in comment section. I will help you. So as you can see that I already downloaded FIFA 23. It's running very smoothly. So let's run the game once for you. Open. The game will it's takes some time, so we have to wait for some time. First, when you are open the game, you have to set up this type of thing. You have to enter your name, then you have to click OK. Then this type of pop-up will come. So you have to just press F9, and after that you can play the game. Okay. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel, otherwise you can't join in the Telegram group. So please make sure to subscribe, and if you are facing any difficulties, then you can message me in Telegram. So thank you for watching the video, and please make sure to share it and subscribe my channel and like my video.